Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 33 of Product Design and Manufacturing subject. Our product is walking stick chair with umbrella. Our member is I'm Nur Umairah Hafifah binti Abdul Wahab, Muhammad Aiman Zakwan bin Ismail, Khairul Shakir bin Khairul Munir, Nurin Safia binti Rusli, and Nur Awatif binti Muhammad Fazli.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Zakwan bin Ismail, number B0518101159. Today I want to explain about our introduction in the project PDM. Why we choose walking stick as our project in PDM? Because walking stick is considered as the basic of mobility aids and most frequently used by the elders to assist their daily mobility. This causes limitation in the ability to perform the walking movement. For problem statement, we have three, which is number one, the different environment have limited features can be used with the walking stick. For example, in Malaysia, we face humid and hot weather. So for people who using walking stick, it is inconvenient for them to bring umbrella everywhere. It can be burden due to heavy weight. Okay, for the second one, the user may not be able to maximize the use of the walking stick, especially for those who are disabled. It because some features in walking stick has complicated function. So for the third one, engineering development are resulting resource depletion and environmental destruction. It because nowadays a major issue have risen about the environment safety. For our objective, the first one to innovate the current walking stick with the unique design. We want to design the walking stick that have multi-function usage. For the second one, to determine the function of the walking stick while working properly, so the user can use the product efficiently and effectively with the multi-function product. Okay. The third is to design an environmental friendly walking stick. So we want to avoid the destruction of environmental which the current issue.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nuri Shafia binti Rusli and I am going to explain the literature review and the methodology. As we know, external support is needed to increase the sensory input and psychological support in physical disabilities while walking. The elderly start using a walking stick because of balance, postural disorders, and to prevent from falling. A walking stick is the most preferred walking aid because it is easy to use and is accepted by the society. However, there is a common problem in the environment not to have ergonomically designed walking stick. Usually, the walking stick that are designed and developed by the medical devices manufacturers are not suitable for individual, but they are manufactured considering average senior citizen anthropometric dimension. These types of walking sticks are mainly non-adjustable, heavy, and hard to use on any occasion. They are also cannot be fully foldable. Due to big sizes, these existing products are inconvenient to use in crowded area and also hard to store. Generally, walking sticks are often built in a traditional way and are not much designed considering the ergonomics principle. In order to achieve our objectives, the first step is to conduct questionnaire. Based on the survey, in total, 57 people from both male and female within the age between below 19 to above 80 years old has been studied. The participants were asked various questions related to existing walking sticks. In general, there were several complaints and discomforts in using the current walking sticks due to the poor functionalities. To overcome such complaints from the respondents, the study proposed to design an ergonomic walking stick that is adjustable, lightweight, easy to carry, and suitable for all seniors with added comfort. After having all the particular and standards, the morphological chart is obtained using these steps. The first step is to put the choice rules into a table from Task 1 overview since it mirrors the customer request towards the item. Next, list down number of plans at the top to allude. Put on the idea parts into the outline to choose later on. Then we have to consolidate all the idea or thoughts for the item, and the last step is the screening and scoring process. The screening process is where we evaluate and reduce the number of generated concepts that were taken into account to satisfy the user's need. By comparing relative advantages and disadvantages of each of the generated concepts and to select one or more concept at the end. And for the scoring process, we considered as the way out to reduce the number of selected concepts and finally to select the best one. After screening and scoring process, we can obtain the one best concept. And the 3D design of the chosen concept is this.
Hello, my name is Khairul Shakir bin Karumune. Today I want to present about the bill of material and manufacturing process. For bill of material, our main material is stainless steel and PVC. During the project, the price per kg of stainless steel is 90 ringgit and 80 cents and PVC is 4 ringgit and 83 cents. After multiply the price, mass and the unit of the part, we get a total price of 12 ringgit and 70 cents. Now for manufacturing process, we have a middle stick part. The appropriate process for middle stick is seamless extrusion because of the shape of the middle stick. With seamless extrusion, we can get a seamless hollow pipe shape. And after that, we have middle seat, left seat, and right seat. The appropriate injection process for this part is injection molding, and then to fabricate it to get a more refined finishing product. Same with the upper seat socket, umbrella socket, seat socket, and handle. After that, we have upper leg and lower leg. These two product is stainless steel, a wrought stainless steel. So the appropriate process is extrusion and then to fabricate it to get a more refined finishing product. And finally, we have umbrella upper frame, umbrella base frame, and umbrella support frame. These three products have a complex shape, so the best process for these three part is to use metal injection molding to get the complex shapes of the product. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Awatif binti Muhammad Fazli and I am from Section 3 BMFG Year 3. Today I will present about the limitation and the challenges that have been faced during the process of completing the project. Firstly, I will explain about the limitation of the walking stick. Firstly, the issue is the umbrella and the chair cannot be used at the same time because the umbrella is attached to the bottom of the walking stick. This can cause an unstable seat if it is used simultaneously. Next, there is a weight limit where the maximum weight is 100 kg. This is because the thickness and the strength of the material cannot accommodate weight that exceed 100 kg. Next, I will explain about the challenges that have been faced while completing the project. First, challenges that have been faced during the project is having trouble to distribute the questionnaire. It is because this product is specifically made for elderly and who been suffering from walking disability. Most of them do not use the smartphone to answer the questionnaire in Google Form, so we have to meet them personally. Next, the unstable and limited coverage accessibility. This issue led to difficult in searching the information and also difficult in completing the project. Lastly, students having trouble and limited access to find related sources because of the pandemic. Due to the pandemic, all the libraries are closed and it caused the limitation to find the information about the walking stick. Next, I will explain about estimated cost for one walking stick. The raw material cost is Rm 12 ringgit and 70 cents as the bill of material shows. The manufacturing cost is Rm 50 ringgit. It is quite expensive because it includes the cost to make the stick, seat and umbrella, and the cost to connect all parts to be one walking stick with chair. As the transportation cost It is Rm 5 ringgit for one walking stick. This transportation is for deliver the item to the buyer. The total of the estimated cost, which is Rm 67 ringgit and 70 cent, is for the direct buyer. The price will be increased according to the market value.
I will present part of discussion. Working stick chair with umbrella is an idea get from existing product which is to improve based on customer feedback. Umbrella is another function provided at the working stick which is the new idea. Concept generation and concept evaluation is the step to select the best design working stick chair with umbrella. In concept generation, we discuss about morphological chart. In concept evaluation, content of concept sketching, screening, and scoring. Firstly, we look at concept generation. This figure shows morphological chart. At that point, arrange our discoveries or examination into the diagram. This diagram comprises our choice of measure and 5 choice plan. This outline is essentially founded on useful examination of our item. Next is concept evaluation. There are 5 concepts we obtain from morphological chart. Concept 1 has bell shape with pimple grip thread, body of stainless steel, semi-circuit for hand grip, locking mechanism for adjust, circle seat and capsule case for umbrella. Concept 2 has tripod blade rubber ferrule, body of ABS, hand grip shape, bracket for adjust rectangular and cloth case for umbrella. Concept 3 has grey rubber ferrule which concentrate ring thread, body of ABS, T-handle shape, locking mechanism for adjustable rectangular shape and cloth case for umbrella. Concept 4 has rubber ferrule with an articulate head, body of aluminium, semi-circle shape, bracket for adjust, rectangular shape and cloth case for umbrella. And lastly, concept 5. Concept 5 has bell shape with pimple grip thread, body of stainless steel, T-handle shape, bracket for adjust, rectangular shape and cloth case for umbrella. Based on customer need, which is translated into morphological chart, 5 concept is decided for design of walking stick chair with umbrella. Selection criteria is selected from the customer, which is get from the questionnaire that we build to know what customer need from our product. Concept 6 is our datum, which is shown in concept screening table. As the result, there are 3 concepts that selected from the screening method, which is concept 2, concept 4 and concept 5. Concept 5 has the highest ranking other than another concept because most the criteria is better and same as the datum. Concept 4 and concept 2 has the same net score because of some the criteria is better or worse than datum. After do the concept screening, we need to scoring all the 3 concepts that we selected. Concept scoring are score numerical using simple scale relative to a benchmark. The weight percentage get from the house of quality which is based on the importance of customer need. Although we change a little bit of value because of we look into what the major criteria customer need from our product. The rating of each selection criteria based on previous method, which is concept scoring. The 2 figures show the concept scoring. Concept 4 is selected from the scoring method based on the rating of each selection criteria based on previous method, which is concept screening.
For the conclusion, the purpose of the design has various functions were innovated from the current walking stick. The material were used to design the environmental friendly walking stick chair does not have significant negative impact for the environment. So the objective in this research have been achieved. Thank you.